Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is George and this is SaaS Master. Today we're going to check out Soleadify, which is a pretty awesome leads finder tool. It's specifically for a type of niche. So for example, these are the examples they did give you right now for SEO agency, for media agency, web developers, conversion rate optimization pros, and these are the type of leads that it'll help you find super fast and super quick. Now let's head on over to the dashboard so you check out what I'm talking about. Now this is the main dashboard for Soleadify, and I'm gonna do a leads finder right now with this video. So we're gonna check out, and first thing we're gonna check out is look for a location. So for example, in this case, I wanna check out in New York. So I just click on New York. We can select cities or countries, and states and province, just depends where you are. And just to show you, I'm gonna show you like this, Bangkok, for example. If I wanted to search on Bangkok, I just click on it, which I'm not gonna use because I don't wanna search there. So we're gonna keep it at New York just for the purpose of this video. Next thing that we got is choose a category. You can either choose a category or just, choose a whole bunch of them, or choose a one specific niche that you want to provide your service. So for example, we'll choose restaurants. You can do a search also and find a specific niche. There's just a whole bunch of them that you can find. But for this purpose, keep like that. Next thing we got is the website analysis. What type of sites will these people have where we find these leads? And there's all these informations, but we can tick off and or. Now, what is and or? You can see you can tick it on and off. So what and does is when you choose, for example, old technology and not mobile friendly, that means it has to have both of these filters to show you these leads. If I put or, that means it's gonna find people from old technology and also not mobile friendly. So it's like less powerful, you could say, or less like it'll find more leads this way. I want to keep it and because I want to have it in old technology and I want them not to be mobile friendly. So these categories are gonna help you find these type of leads that it's gonna help you give your clients the service that you want to provide. Let's just say, hey, you know what? I'm an app developer. So I want to find not mobile friendly. I want it to have old technology, maybe no SSL. It just depends how you want to use these filters to work it out for you. Next thing we got is conversion rate optimization. We wanted to show like slow loading websites, not mobile friendly, not using CDN, not using tag manager. So for example, just really quick right now, I just got the idea. If you're providing a CDN service, let's just say, hey, you know what? I signed up for an affiliate program that sells CDN. So I want all these technologies and someone who's not using CDN. That would be pretty awesome to mass mail these people who are not using CDN or don't even know what it is. So that way we can target these people and offer your service. The probabilities that they would want your services are higher than someone who already has a technology. So it just depends how you want to use all these filters to help you target those audience. So for example, if you were offering digital social media for Facebook, so you'd say not Facebook friendly. So for example, you're going to search for sites who don't have their Facebook on it. So that means the probabilities that they don't have Facebook or it's not important for them is how you can target these people and offer your service. In this case, I'll just leave old technology and not mobile friendly. Next thing we got is filter to the list of leads by technologies found on their website. So what does this mean? We can also do a search if we want to search for specific type of technologies. So for example, do they use JavaScript, programming language, web service, font script, blogging platforms, video players, widgets? See what they have because it's going to depend on what service you want to provide. And you can add more filters or remove them. Oops, gotta leave that there. So I'm not going to choose that. External links. So external links are going to help you. Are they using or are they not using external links? Select a link that you want to find. These are all the examples. It's incredible all you can do with Soleadify. Languages, it's going to be a specific language. Let's just say, hey, you know what? I'm in Mexico and I want them to be in a specific language in Spanish. So I would choose that if I wanted to. In this case, leave it open. Top level domains, yes or not. Com, org, co, net, it just depends how you want to if you want to search for a specific type of domains. So for example, countries like UK, like we saw right there, if you want to target just specifically those type of domains, then you can do that. It just depends. Next thing we got is the filter lists by leads, their website size and popularity. All the filters that you find here are just gonna be how you want to use it. The more specific you are, the better you will find the leads, and it's gonna depend on the service. Everything we do here, it's just gonna depend on the service that you're offering. So for example, Alexa rank. Do we want it to find people from Alexa rank 10K or 1 million? It just depends. If you want to target like smaller sites, then go up, right? We don't want to go to the like top dogs because they're not gonna do your service unless you're like a leader in the market. Last update. So how long did they take to update? So for example, if they updated last month, probabilities if you're like saying, hey, I want to offer them web development, like a new website, it's like, hey, if they're working on it like 3 months ago, 6 months ago, the probabilities that they would want your service is like really, really low. So yeah, at least 12 months ago to a year plus, all right? So that means they haven't updated in at least 12 months. So they might want to update, they might need the service, they want to do some changes, they want to update their contact, their pictures, and they would need your software, your web development. Number of sites pages. Also, so how many pages do these sites have? So for example, man, if you want to target someone like eBay and Amazon, obviously 1,000 and plus pages. But if you want to target small sites, then I pretty doubt it that they would have more than 50 pages. Probably 10 for really small sites, probably like 5 pages. I would go with 50, but it just depends on anyone. What's really cool, we can clear all the filters and we can save template, is because you're gonna take some time on doing this and thinking, hey, what should I use? What filters should I put? What others shouldn't I use? So you save that template so you don't have to do it every time. Now let's generate some results. Now this might take some time because what it's doing is searching for all these leads that it's gonna find. And there we go. With the specific category that we chose, with the specific city and all the things we chose for the filters, it found 53 results. So that's pretty awesome. Now you can see right here, homerestaurants.com, and you can see the information, phone number, email, where it is, like a preview of their site, what social medias they have. You can see that right there. This is like a quick list, or we can browse the results. If we browse results, it's going to show us like a big picture of what's going on individually. So this is like the first one. We can also like do more things here. We can discard, or we can undo discard, or we can export CDS. So for example, we could say, you know what, this is good. Everything's okay. I want to offer my service to these guys, so I want to export their email and their information. Next one. So next one is trspub.com. No screenshot available, so we'll leave it, or we can check it out. In this case, let's just say, for example, this doesn't meet your criteria filters, so we'll discard it. Really easy. Did you see that? It's over here now. One discarded lead out of the 53. Just go next, and just go one by one, just like that. See that? Just go in and checking them out, see what we want, and you can just discard it if you don't want it, or keep it, and we can just keep going and going and going. So for example, this looks like a restaurant search thing. Maybe it's not what we want. Chances are they're doing their own development or whatever. You can discard it. Like I said, all the filters that we use or you choose, it's gonna depend on the service that you want to offer. So once you're okay with that, you can click away. So you are about to exit the browser mode. This will delete all your discarded sections. Oh, so no. So we need to export CSV. So it's 51 leads. Name your list. So this list is test 1. One address per row, same column, comma separated. It just depends how you want to do it. So it's one address per row. Let's export. Wait for that to create our CSV file. Okay, let's download it. So let's save it here in documents. Let's open it. All right, so here it is. Here's our CSV. Let's open it. Remember, we had 51 leads that it found for our search criteria. So there you go. These are the information. We got the locations. This is like a big branch, so they have all these guys. It's a restaurant niche, food and beverage, their email, phone numbers. What else do we got? Their Facebook page. So maybe you can go directly to the Facebook page. Maybe you don't want to do mass email, but you want to go through here. You can see their Instagram account, no Twitter, no Google Maps, iOS app, Google Play, other external links on website. So these are the external links that they're using. All this information is going to help you grab the leads that you want and get rid of the ones you don't. Tool Soleadify, audit page. Oh, so this is the audit page. Check this out. This is pretty awesome. So you can click on the audit page and you're going to be surprised at what you can do with it. So you got the tech audit. Here's the home page. Here it is, homerestaurant.ct. There's a performance, SEO, best practices, progressive web app. And you can have this information like that. See how easy it is? Their SEO. So maybe this is going to help you send it to your client, and say, hey, you know what? You got these problems and we can fix them. Blah, blah, blah. I mean, depends what you want to say. Did you see how awesome that was? Let's get back to this. And it has it for each one. You can see this for each website. You can do that. So you can do audit page for anyone and send to that client, to your future client, and you can use it. Are they using CDN? They're not. They don't have the social media. You can offer that service. The SEO score, SEO issues, like really quick, you can see what's going on with their site. So maybe you can even use this information in your email template. So when you have the email template, you can put that space where it would have it, like SEO issues, like boom. Maybe you're like helping them out without even them knowing it. So you send the email saying that you offer this service, they have this SEO issues, and they have this SEO score, everything automatic. So you can use all these columns in your email marketing. All distributes website last updated. There it is, 2013. Man, that website is old. So these guys need an update. So if these guys have the money and the intention of updating, they will contact you. They will contact you and grab your service. Their time zone and a screenshot. So just click on the screenshot. There's a screenshot of that homepage, and like there you go. I mean, it's super easy to like grab leads without even taking a bunch of time. All you got to do is set the filter. I mean, like I said, what I would do is think of it really, really well, what filters we want, save it, and just use it how you want. So for example, I just chose New York. Maybe I live in New York, maybe my business is in New York, and I want to offer that service there. Maybe, you know what, I got plans to visit next month, Los Angeles. So maybe I want to contact people for Los Angeles and set a meeting when I'm there. It just depends. Like I said, this tool is pretty awesome to help you reach those target audience. I'm gonna save this template really quick. This is gonna be a test template. Give it a specific color, short description, just test for video. Save it. So filter templates, there it is. Here's my template. We can also edit it. So maybe we thought of something new and we can edit that. We want to copy it and just switch a little something there. You can do that also. We got the domain list. Upload your own list of domains that you can do right here. Export history. You can see that. There's my export history. Subscription, what I have right now. Support. You can ask for support. There's the live chat right here. Feature request. This is really important for people to actually get in here, vote what you want, suggest features that you need, so it lands in the roadmap. This is what's going to happen. Check it out. In progress, forever in progress, completed. So it's going to help them actually create what you need for you. So this is pretty awesome. Use a roadmap. It's really important for the founders that you use this. Features to request. Oh, sorry, clicked on that already. And log out. Well, guys, this is Soleadify tool. I think it's pretty awesome because it takes a whole bunch of wasted time, me logging into Google or Bing and searching one by one, trying to find that email when I could do it like in less than a minute if I already have the filter already done. Well, alright guys, I hope you guys liked this video. The link for the deal is going to be in the description just in case you guys want to buy it. Alright guys, so I'll see you guys later.